At this pleasant morning, we are here with the champion who's organizing Champions Run, Dr. Sunita Gudara. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, ma'am, Champions Run is on with lots and lots of participations. What do you have?
Pouring in.
Yes, actually pouring in. So, what do you have to say regarding this?
See, I was just expecting that 200 runners will be in the 10K and maybe 200 in 3 kilometer and 1 kilometer fun run. But the way people have come in this 10K, now we are touching 400 participants in 10K, and I made it a point after seeing that. See, I'm organizing races for last 20 years, but then always it used to be with the awareness cause. This race was for the runners who really want to do timed race, and in that we have followed all the rules and regulations as our organizers to get them authentic certificate, which will be they can show off that okay, my 10K time is this. So measured goes by calibrated cycle. Then we have 3 timing mats. Then we have more than 50 race officials, 30 outside, 20 inside. And then we have 15 bikers to marshal the race. And we have 3 categories. So everything was so I won't say perfect, but passionate.
Right.
That now the way I'm getting the response from the runners, it's great. And Just Play Sports is also going all out. They were also what they were expecting. They are also getting better response. So it's win-win situation for everyone, for the runners, for the digital partner, for other partners like the jingle. You heard that Marva Studio FM Noida. So all these things were supplementing the event.
Yes.
We have lot many partners. Then we had with us this 11,000 cash prize. So that also become booster for the fast runners.
Yes. So, ma'am, as you said that participations, the participations are pouring in, and people are also very much excited for this, and it's just 2 days left for our event. And what tips would you give to the participants who are coming for this run?
First of all, I would like to say, because we are flagging off the race, 6:30 means 6:30. And only the sports stars will flag off the race, national record holder, I myself will be there. So 6:30 means 6:30, so that is one thing. Secondly, in these 2 days, they have to be very careful. Don't do overtraining. Don't try any new things. No new stretching, no new food. Anybody says anything, but please follow the same what you were doing for last 1 month or 15 days, and don't overdo anything, because 2 days means recovery and relaxed.
So, ma'am, what tips would you give to the participants, who are the beginners, and after this run, they'll be participating for ADHM?
Yeah.
So, what are the tips that you want to give?
Suppose in Champions Run they do say we are expecting from 33 minutes to 1 hour 30 minutes is the time limit. They can run till 1:30. The timing chip will be there. So we take the middle part, so 50 minutes or 1 hour. If you are doing that and you want to improve, now you have a time trial. So it is like a time trial race. So once you have a timing, 10K timing, then you can pace up yourself. Your race pace should be what you have done in 10K. Your long runs should not be more than 18 kilometers or 20 kilometers for the if you are going for full marathon, then you can go for 30-35 kilometers. But if you are going for only 21 kilometers, don't go more than 18-20 kilometers. It's overtraining. So long run should be 1 minute slower than the pace you did 10K, and in between you can do 1 kilometer speed workouts. It's a 5 points program. So mileage should be 1 minute slower than your 10K timing. Your race pace should be what you did in 10K, and your speed work should be what you have done in 10K. Each kilometer, if you have paced properly, say if you have done 5 minutes pace, then you should be doing 450 or 445 per kilometer speed work. So it is always 15 seconds faster than your race pace is a speed work. Then you should do 1 fast leg, slow fast training, speed play. Do it for maybe 6 kilometers to 10 kilometers. And if you want to do good in half marathon, good timing, your best timing, because in marathon every finisher is a champion, one thing, and everybody fights with but you fight within yourself. You are not fighting with other. You are not competing with other runner. You are fighting. You are competing with your own timing, your own best timing. So if your best timing is whatever is your best timing, you have to increase the pace. And if you are doing 3 days workout, at least start 4 days workout. And if you are doing just 5 kilometers, increase 2-3 kilometers in weekly sessions. You can increase your timing, and by the time November come and the great marathon, ADHM, Airtel Delhi Half Marathon, by then we will also have few video workouts. Then we can have some workshops, so that you can pace yourself. And otherwise, with this, it is a good time to have time trial of 10K, because 10K is the real time trial pace and distance to pace yourself for half marathon.
Right. So, ma'am, what message would you give to the people, to the participants who have participated for Joy of Running, and they're the beginners with their families?
Yeah, for them it's very important. Those who are just running for fun, lifestyle runners. Those lifestyle. Let me tell you one thing. I've done so many workshops with lifestyle runners, and when I asked them, even the person who was doing 2 hours 30 minutes half marathon timing, he wants to do 2:15. The people who are doing 2:15, they want to do 2. Those who are doing 2 hours, they want to do 1:50. So that competitive runner within themselves is there. But some, doing first time. So first timers have to just relax, finish the distance, happy-go-lucky, don't torture yourself. If you can't run, just jog. If you can't jog, just walk and finish the distance and get your certificate, because 1 hour 30 minutes means you can walk and get the time certificate.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome, and see you there on 18th September at 6 a.m. reporting, 6:30 flag off.